Welcome back, YouTube. Today I just have a quick unboxing. This arrived in the mail for me just earlier today, so I thought I'd unbox it with you. It's just a couple coins that I won at an auction from Silver Picker on WhatsNot. If you don't know what WhatsNot is, it's a cool app that you can join live auctions, and it's a quick, easy way just to get some stuff you need for your collection. So I ended up joining one of the auctions from Silver Picker, and this is what I ended up winning. So I'll get this opened and I'll show you what I have inside. Okay, I just opened this up and there should be 2 coins inside. I haven't looked inside yet, so hopefully they're in there. So let's see if I can get this out. All right, there's the first one. Let's not look at it. Here's the second one. All right, so let's look at this one first. It looks like it's gonna be a 1920 Canadian large cent. It's pretty cool. I have a couple older Canadian pennies in my collection, but I don't have any of the large cents in my collection, so that's pretty cool just to add into it. Looks like it's George V. That's awesome. All right. Now the other coin should be a silver coin. And it's a 1963 5 francs silver coin. I'm not exactly sure how much this is worth, but I ended up winning it in the auction. It's pretty cool. I get to add this to my silver stack and into my collection. Now I have a couple Canadian silver quarters and dimes. This is my first cool silver coin I really have in my collection, 5 francs. I have a girl walking on the back end. And I don't know anything about these coins, so I'll definitely have to do some more research. But it's pretty cool. So I'll get these into my collection. Now if you guys didn't hear, I am doing a giveaway for when I reach 250 subscribers. I'm giving away 2 silver quarters, a silver wartime nickel, a barber dime, and a silver certificate. So if you want a chance to enter to win this, click the link in my description and leave a like, comment, and make sure you're subscribed on that video. And when I reach 250 subscribers, I'm gonna pick randomly from the comments to pick a winner. So make sure you comment to enter into it. Thank you guys for joining this quick unboxing. Hope you liked it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and as always, happy hunting. Ciao.